You see that beak? That beak can exert a force over 500 pounds of pressure per square inch. Do you know what that means? That means it hurts. Now, if Elvie was flying in the rainforest and looking for a place to rest, she might say, I think I'll rest on the Olivia tree. Does the Olivia tree have a big branch sticking up? If it doesn't, she lands on top of the tree. Okay, Olivia. Elvie would fly in and land right here. Now, if she wanted to, Elvie could take that beak, reach down and grab Olivia's arm with one bite, snap it right in half. Would you like to show us how she can do that? I didn't think so. Elvie here was abandoned in a pet store out near Philadelphia. She went through 8 years of torment being in a cage. People would come into that pet store and poke at her, scream at her, throw things at her. She was very aggressive. Pet store went out of business. The owners left and abandoned the animals. After a number of days of no one showing up, the authorities moved in and confiscated the animals. They offered Elvie to the Philadelphia and Allentown Zoo. Both of them wanted nothing to do with her because she was so aggressive. Well, we got the call. Elvie's now 17 years old. I would hand this bird to a 2-year-old child. She is that socialized. She would not hurt anyone. Well, let's make a bird trainer out of Olivia. You hold Elvie's treat, you show her that you have that, okay? Now, you are the bird trainer. Let's see if Elvie will show us big wings today. You going to show me big wings today? No. No. Would you show Olivia the big wings today? No. Oh, she needs her signal. I forgot. Hold that in one hand. This hand, make a big number 2. Hold it way up. That number 2 means big wings. It meant big wings yesterday. Come on, Elvie, way up. Long week, huh, Elvie? But I'd like you to notice that Elvie does have all of her feathers. Most people buy birds, they cut their wings and stick them in a cage. Not the proper thing to do for a bird that needs to fly many miles every day. These birds can't fly, and they do fly. We have them trained to pretty much stay where they belong unless the hawks show up. Then they'll fly for tame, he's trained, and he doesn't like hands getting real close. We know what that beak can do. Let's see if Louie will play some basketball. If he makes a basket, he likes that applause. Ready, Lou? There's your ball, Lou. Run a little slant here, Lou. Got to dribble. Got to dribble, that's right. Another shot, Lou. How about one more, Louie? Game winner. Good job, Lou. All right, let's see if Louie will play some ring toss. Ready, Lou? Did you dance a little bit? Did you dance? You gonna dance? You're not gonna dance. Ready, Lou? Here's your ring. How do you play the game, Louie? He thinks it's a donut. No, Louie, not a donut. Let's go way up. Oh, you missed. You missed. Way up. No, you missed. Way up, Lou. Come on, way up. Good boy, Louie. Here's another one. Come on, Lou.
Yes, that was that.
One more, Louie. One more, Louie.
Hey, man, who's that?
Good job, Louie.
It sounds to me like that whipping man with the bone.
Okay, we're going to ask Louis for one more behavior, and then, if anyone would like, we're going to have you come up and hold some birds. Well, Louis planning a vacation, wants to visit his friends in the rainforest, but he knows he has to save his money in his piggy bank. Sometimes he wants to buy candy and pizza. Let's see what it's going to be today. Lou, here's your coin, Louis. Louis in slow motion today. Come on, Lou. Where's it go? Other one. And one more, Louis. Big finish. One more. Way up. Good job, Louis. Yeah.